For decades, software engineering relied on a simple contract. Specific commands produce predictable outputs. Integrating large language models dissolves that certainty. These models do not execute code in the traditional sense. They operate as stochastic reasoning engines. When a model processes a prompt, it navigates a vast mathematical space to predict the next token based on learned probabilities. This variability makes legacy testing methodologies insufficient. A single prompt can generate hundreds of distinct but correct variations, or it can produce a response that appears authoritative while harboring a catastrophic factual error. This lack of predictability creates a direct legal liability. Under frameworks like the European Union AI Act, organizations are legally mandated to document their runtime controls, explainability metrics, and safety mechanisms. Deploying these models into production environments requires solving an operational trilemma. Engineers must implement dynamic semantic evaluation, hierarchical observability, and real-time safety guardrails. This analysis deconstructs a state-of-the-art enterprise LLM pipeline, layering specific frameworks to enforce reliability on a non-deterministic core. Trust in artificial intelligence is not a native property of the model, it is the result of external architectural constraints. We start with the LLM core. To move into production, we must measure output quality. Legacy metrics fail by relying on structural overlap. If a model outputs "the test was successful" instead of "the experiment succeeded," the meaning is mathematically invisible to the evaluator. To bridge this gap, the industry transitioned to continuous vector space evaluation, such as BERT score. This leverages contextual embeddings to measure the similarity between tokens in a mathematical space, allowing the system to recognize valid paraphrases. Because open-ended tasks rarely have a single reference answer, the LLM as a judge paradigm has become the standard. Frameworks like geval utilize frontier models to score the outputs of other models based on specific rubrics, scaling human-like judgment across massive datasets. However, these AI judges introduce their own vulnerabilities, specifically style bias. Frontier models overwhelmingly prefer responses formatted with markdown elements, like bullet points and bold text, even when the underlying facts are identical to a plain prose response. Mitigation requires specific prompting strategies. Chain of thought forcing mandates that the AI judge generate a step-by-step reasoning analysis before delivering a final verdict, which significantly reduces the influence of stylistic artifacts. The most robust solution is programmatic input normalization. Before the judge sees the text, traditional code strips away all markdown and standardizes the template, forcing the evaluator to focus strictly on the content. Automated semantic evaluation works, but only when the evaluators are constrained by these rigid MLOps pipelines. Our architecture becomes more complex as we move from single-turn chatbots to autonomous multi-agent systems. In an agentic workflow, an LLM might query a database, invoke a tool, and pass the results to a subagent. Traditional logging provides only a flat, sequential list of events, making it impossible to see where a complex logic chain actually broke. This requires deep hierarchical traces. Platforms must model these executions as a directed acyclic graph, capturing retrievals and tool calls. Trace payloads are massive, and standard databases struggle to handle the write throughput required to capture nested loops in real time. Specialized architectural solutions address this in different ways. Framework-native tools like Langsmith use proprietary databases like SmithDB, designed for asynchronous, sub-second retrieval of deeply nested agent traces. High-throughput enterprise teams often lean toward open-source platforms like Langfuse. These utilize ClickHouse backends to support millions of traces while providing precise cost tracking across different model providers. For teams focused on local debugging, tools like Arise Phoenix leverage open telemetry standards. This allows for hyper-local evaluation of retrieval relevance and knowledge gap detection within vector search architectures. Without this hierarchical visualization, identifying why an autonomous agent failed is practically impossible. Safety is the third pillar. While models are aligned during training, that alignment is brittle and often degrades under sustained adversarial pressure. The production attack surface is combinatorial. Risks come from direct user prompts, indirect injections hidden in retrieved documents, or hallucinatory commands during tool use. Securing the system requires runtime security guardrails. These interstitial filters apply absolute constraints at inference time, scanning for malicious intent before data reaches the LLM. Because these checks introduce computational latency, architectures employ a tiered deployment strategy. The light tier uses ultra-fast classifiers operating in under 20 milliseconds. These are always active, scanning for overt injections and personal data before reaching the primary model. High-risk actions trigger the thinking tier, requiring significant compute time, often over half a second. They are used selectively for actions like database deletions or processing contexts with potentially poisoned data. Native cloud moderation APIs often fail to provide this depth. Benchmarks show standard cloud safety tools collapse under complex jailbreak attempts, making specialized guards a necessity. Real-time security depends on this tiered approach, balancing performance against the need to intercept autonomous errors. Even with external guardrails, the model can still fail through hallucinations, generating plausible but entirely fabricated information. Standard retrieval augmented generation blindly fetches documents based on vector similarity and dumps them into the prompt, implicitly trusting flawed data. Corrective RAG addresses this with an active evaluation layer, mathematically judging the quality of retrieved documents before generation. If the documents are relevant, CRAG extracts precise knowledge strips to ground the response. If the internal knowledge base is insufficient, the system autonomously triggers an external web search to acquire the necessary facts. Self-reflective RAG kicks this further by integrating the critique directly into the model's vocabulary. By training the model to output specific reflection tokens, operators can adjust the mathematical weights during generation. This allows the system to penalize and discard any reasoning path that isn't strictly supported by the retrieved facts. For long-form generation, forward-looking active retrieval, or FLAIR, monitors token-level confidence. FLAIR forecasts the upcoming sentence and checks the probability score of each word. If confidence falls below a threshold, the system pauses, uses the predicted sentence to search for fresh context, and regenerates the line accurately. Static retrieval then generate processes lack the feedback loops necessary for high-stakes applications. Factual density requires active inference architectures that computationally force the LLM to verify its own logic. This is the architecture of trust. The reasoning core is wrapped in tiered guardrails, grounded by active retrieval loops, traced by a hierarchical observability layer, and validated by unbiased AI evaluators. Reliability in artificial intelligence is not an inherent feature of the foundation model. Safety is achieved when the attack surface is constrained by runtime filters, operating in milliseconds. Factual accuracy is maintained when token-level grounding frameworks enforce strict adherence to external data. Debugging depends on telemetry that can map every branch of an autonomous execution graph. And consistent quality is maintained through mathematically calibrated evaluators that verify alignment with human intent. Software engineering is evolving. The task now is to orchestrate a unified ecosystem of probabilistic constraints, transforming non-deterministic reasoning into reliable enterprise infrastructure.